Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress site mobile responsive. We'll start by understanding why a mobile-friendly website is absolutely essential today, impacting both your visitors' experience and your search engine visibility. Then, we'll dive into the fundamental principles of responsive design, giving you a solid foundation. Finally, I'll introduce you to the key tools and initial steps you can take to start optimizing your WordPress site for every screen size, from tiny phones to large desktops. A great starting point is selecting a truly responsive WordPress theme. These themes are built to automatically adjust their layout and elements across various devices, ensuring a seamless experience. For more control, consider page builder plugins such as Elementor or Beaver Builder. They offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, allowing you to design and preview your content responsively. Remember to keep all your themes and plugins updated. This is vital for security and maintaining responsiveness. Content optimization is key. Start by compressing your images. Tools can reduce file sizes by up to 80% without losing quality, significantly speeding up load times on mobile. Also, ensure your text is easily readable on smaller screens, using font sizes around 16 pixels for body text. Crucially, test your site. Use your browser's developer tools to simulate different devices, and Google's mobile-friendly test provides valuable insights into your site's performance. For advanced control, you can implement CSS media queries. These allow you to apply specific styles when a screen reaches certain widths, like 600 pixels or 992 pixels, giving you precise design adjustments. Always prioritize touch-friendly navigation. Ensure buttons and links are large enough, at least 48 by 48 pixels, for easy tapping. Finally, continuously monitor your site's mobile performance and user engagement to identify areas for ongoing improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.